Hello, my name is Nicholas Cuomo. I'm with Keller Realty. I'm here with Rosario and Kathy LaDuca. I just helped them close the sale of a property that they renovated to resell, and I have 4 questions that I want to ask them very quick. The first question is, when it came to picking an agent, was it confusing? You mentioned that you interviewed a few agents, so if we just go back into that experience.
We interviewed 5 agents. Nick was the first, and although he's a younger agent, I had a gut feeling that I was choosing the right person, and I definitely did.
Thank you. And question number 2 is, when it came to discussing a marketing plan and I sat down at the table with you and Kathy over in Beacon having coffee, I mentioned that I'd be fully committed, and we came up with a marketing plan, and it wasn't a bunch of pizzazz that was going to just lead to a flop or a fail. But my question is, were you nervous about that, or were you confused, or when I explained everything to you, were you completely confident? I know you hired me, but was it a little, because it did require you to become just a little bit more invested, but all in all.
It wasn't confusing. I like that you're using modern technology, the drones and the videos and the video walkthrough on the website, which I thought was really good. And a lot of people that we showed it to thought it was a really good way to market.
And investing the little bit of money, let's not say little bit of money, but the extra money in the staging, do you believe that that kind of increased?
Absolutely.
Yes,
Okay.
definitely.
Absolutely.
Definitely.
100%. Staging is always the way to go.
So it wasn't a bad investment at all. It wasn't like you just took money and threw it out the window. You
Not
believe?
at all.
Okay.
Not at all.
Question number 3, that kind of summarized it right there, but all in all, did the plan work?
Yep.
And my final question is, because we're sitting here in the rain a little bit, but my final question, question number 4 is, did the property sell?
It did.
And the plan worked 100%?
100%.
It did.
And I believe we had an accepted offer in 21 days.
Correct.
21 days.
And finally, last but not least, would you recommend me to anybody else? This is for the people that I'm sitting at the table with right now. This is for the people who don't know me yet, who told me to email them something.
Yes,
Would you-
100%.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
We like Nick so much that we are going to use Nick again. My husband and I discussed this on the way over here. We're very happy with Nick, and we are planning on using him again on our next property.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you so much. Thank you, guys.
We are,
Thank
by
you,
the way.
thank you.
We are. We talked about it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna
Thank
be
you so much.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
All
Where are you
right,
going?
So,
Hey, where at?
You want to catch some dinner or
Yeah,
something?
sure.
into
Let's go.
dinner?
Okay. Yeah, that sounds great.